Well, this is a new problem, and in this problem we are going to discuss a small oscillation of a bead placed on a fixed rope. Yeah, so we need to have details of this problem, and there is the statement of the problem saying that a bead is placed on a weightless inextensible thread of length 2L, okay, and the ends of which are fixed at the same height. I think this should be the case, okay. And under the weight of the bead, the thread sags by a height h. Oh, this is the original situation. Find the period t of a small oscillations of the nut. That means bead. Bead is also a nut. Nut is also a bead. Along the thread. There is no friction between the nut and the thread, bead and thread. Right. I can smell an ellipse in this problem. Can you? Of course you can, because the bead moves along a curve. Yeah, and I have to find that curve. And I am going to find it like this, that at any moment the sum of distances from the points of attachments to the ends of the thread to the location of the bead is constant. This length is constant. This length is constant, and it is equal to 2L. Yeah. And an ellipse has this property. So the trajectory of the bead is an arc of an ellipse with I don't know semi-major or semi-minor, but its semi-axis as H and L. H and L. And I know that such an ellipse can be obtained by compressing a circle of radius L, yeah, by L by H times. Yeah, I know that. This is simple ellipse. That it means that the radius of curvature of the ellipse at its lowest point here is L by H times the radius of the circle. That is, at here its radius of curvature is L by H times its radius L. That is equal to L square by H. And at a small amplitudes of oscillation, this bead moves in the same way as a simple pendulum of length L, length rho, and we know that this is a simple pendulum. This is a simple pendulum. This is, and the length for a small oscillation you can consider this length as a constant, and the time period of this simple pendulum is 2 pi under root L by G. So the answer you are going to get is 2 pi under root L square by H by G. That is equal to 2 pi under root L square by GH. You have many ways to solve this problem. I solved it like this. If you don't like it, you can solve. You can write your solution of your own. Thank you very much for watching. This problem was simple.